Hi. I just woke up and I decided that I'm gonna do a vlog. Yes. Meet my Junior. Jimmy. Say hello. Yeah. Meet him. The rowdy of the house. And where are the others? I don't know where the others are. Just try and show you. Hi, Lucky. Love. Say hi. Hi. Yeah, and only one more is missing. I was searching for this one all over the house, almost. But look where she is. Ta-da-da-da. Do you spot her? Yeah. Oi. Yeah. Say hi. Prim, 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 prim. Yeah, right. Okay. That's all spread out. I have no more space to organize my stuff. First, let me go and brush my teeth first. Or shall I take the camera there too? No, I'm not going to show you brush my teeth. I look very ugly while brushing my teeth. No, you'll never watch me again if you watch me brush. So, that's my mother-in-law watching TV. Now, that's my husband brushing his teeth. You know, he's posed for the camera. I'm done brushing. Let me get out of here. I washed my face. I don't know if you're supposed to show step by step of your day. I don't know if you guys enjoy it. Welcome to my backyard. Jungle, I say. It's a jungle. That's not a backyard. We'll begin from the beginning. The best. The beetle leaf pan. Sort of kala pan, I guess. I don't know exactly which pan that is. What else? Yeah. Do you see my native hibiscus plant or tree, should I call it? How big it has become, see? Maybe I should do another video like saying backyard jungle tour. Sun feels so good even in the summer in Bangalore. Yeah, so cold. Let me take it into the kitchen. Now I welcome you to my kitchen. Don't faint, okay? Don't faint. Yeah, that is why I told don't faint. I filled it with so many things, sauces and everything. People will go mad always looking at my kitchen. Now I don't know what to eat. Got it. Khakra. Now let me sit in the sun. Have some breakfast. Hello, look who joined me. I'll just finish eating my khakra. This Persian loves khakra. Wow. He slapped you. I am hanging by this tree because I couldn't find this girl. Look at where she's sitting. I was searching all over the place for her. I'll go back. Planning on recording a video today. Don't know how successful it's going to be. Already failed twice. Oh. Hello, sir. Sir. Sir.
Sorry. Welcome, then everybody will start coming today. We are mass media, everybody is after me.
No, I still did not go to bath. That's my bye.
Bye.
She does not understand what it means. She thought I told her this wala bye. It's okay. She's a Kannadiga, so doesn't get Hindi. So, why I haven't gone to bath yet? And why am I holding this cucumber? Because keep a gunguru band, darling. Oi, Ramo. Hi. They stay on the top floor. That's a wonderful kid, don't you think? Nah. Bye, Ritika.
Bye.
Hopefully, now I'll go and bath.
A few moments later.
I am not going for a bath. I'm on a video call with my mom and dad. Say hi, mom and dad.
Hi. Hi.
I'll see if I can finish this quick and I'll go to bath. Ayyo. While I was speaking to my mom and dad, look what fell on my head. What do you think it is? It is a tiny jackfruit. Let me tell you, the tree is there. There. That big tree. You see? The tree is there. And all the way over here, I am sitting. From there to here, I don't know how it fell. Wow, what a life, no?
It's paining.
Because when I was little, a rod had fallen over here in the ISKCON temple. Even God did that. What to do? I have stitches and all. It still pains. On that only, this had to fall.
Cursed life, mine is cursed life.
A few moments later.
I still did not go. Why, you know? I received my Amazon parcel and now I have to open it up, rip it up and see what I received. Because I had ordered a few things. I have to see which one I received. You know what just happened? I am doomed. I am cursed. This big, small coconut fell right here.
You know where the tree is? I'll show you. That's the coconut tree. And I'm standing this far.
It came until my legs. It was about to fall on my foot too. I'm doomed. My life is doomed. I am going to bath. Or else I think gods are planning to kill me if I don't go to bath. That is why they are throwing everything at me. Okay, I will go and bath. No matter what now. Bye. I'll see you after I bath.
Later.
Finally, I am out of the bathroom. Yes, I took bath. See, the towel is also wet. I dried it. I don't have corona. It already came and went. Now I'll go sit with my amma, do some puja and come back. Done with the puja. And the bubbles are still bursting.
Okay. You thought that was some cinematic, some godly, spiritual drama I'm doing? No. Soap went off in my ears and they're like bursting small bubbles, you know. This is my banana tree. Plant, whatever you call it.
What am I gonna do now? I'm gonna get my black tea. Done with my black tea. Vanilla black tea. And look who's cooling off in the summer. She has way too much fur on her body and she's feeling too hot. I don't have an AC at home, so she's sitting in the wet mud and cooling herself. No problem. That's alright. This is my favorite spot because I can overlook my whole garden. Yeah. That's it. straight to the eyes. So I love sitting here and having my tea. And let me show you something else. Okay, I'll let her meditate. I'll have my vanilla tea. Why am I saying that so much? Because I'm proud that I made this vanilla tea. I added vanilla myself. It was not a vanilla flavored tea. That is why maybe I'm proud. Lunchtime. Yes, that is ghee. I love ghee. I drink ghee. I was craving mango lassi too much. So I'm trying to make lassi out of these fruits. This dehydrated mango chunks. Can you see? Yeah. I don't know how it will turn out. I don't know if they are even melted. Not bad. Yes. Video worked out. Okay, I will make lassi. Enjoy my lassi, and I'll see you back. And I'm setting up for recording the video. Now I start to record, and look who's playing with what. So finally, start to record. Yeah, the sun started falling on my face. I don't know where else to go. God, please help me.
You should change my direction. Why?
I had to shift for the third time. Yeah, because the sun, see, the sunlight came off. I couldn't sit there, so I came here. But when I'm sitting like this, look at the shadows. It's at everything, you see, light, everything, the camera. I tried the light, but it was not looking good, so I stopped it off. I'm not gonna record today. I'm shifting it to tomorrow. For the second time, recording fail. Look who's here to cheer me up. My failed recording, cheer up. My bestie and her elder sister. Now we're gonna chit chat a lot.
One eternity later.
Hi, we are done with our chit chat. She left, and I'm eating butterscotch. Yeah, butterscotch Snickers. Butterscotch Snickers, which isn't really as great as I thought it would be. And I'm also testing the light if it's right. I will sit here and record off. I think that seems right. No? I think I'll start recording. I cannot wait until tomorrow. So, let's begin. My third attempt was successful. I finished recording my video, and now I can Shanti say go have some vanilla black tea of mine. My hand is paining. I'm exhausted. It's one most important thing which went pending today. Not my fault. I called that guy so many times, hoping that will happen today. That's very important. I pray he picks up the call. See you in tomorrow's vlog. Bye.